How you feeling, bro?
I'm crushed.
Crushed. I can see that. Like, for one, how did you do this? Like, is there like a hole from the back that you came in from?
Yeah, I'm more of a drop from the ceiling type of guy.
Drop from the ceiling type of guy. Okay, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. So, where is this weight coming from? Like, is this like a certain thing going on in life right now?
Oh, everything, man.
Everything?
2020.
2020, bro. 2020 is horrible, right? It's put a lot of weight on a lot of people's shoulders, hasn't it?
Sure has, man.
Sure has, yeah. I mean, a lot of people lost their jobs. A lot of people lost businesses. A lot of people lost hours from working. A lot of people just aren't even working, okay? And it's just the weight of the world is on you to support your family, support everyone around you, even support yourself, because obviously you're not comfortable right now at all. Like,
No.
zero bit comfortable. But what if I said that if I got up right now, and I get said that, like, I'm the year 2021, okay? Just picture me as the year 2021. And what if I said I could pull you out? Like, if I could just help you get out of here a little bit, like this.
Oh,
like,
I can feel it.
he's coming. He's out. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys, is the weight of the world of 2020 has been holding you down. It really has. But what I want to say now is that you can get help for 2021 to make your life not feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, to support your family financially, support the people around you financially, support yourself financially, okay? What I want to say in 2021, guys, there's a lot of opportunity and room to grow businesses, okay? Businesses have been shutting down left and right. And so right now is the time to switch to online, okay? And specifically Amazon. Now during COVID, during 2020, Amazon has just shot up in evaluation. It's been insane. They're making a lot of money, okay? And so what if you could get part of that pie? What if I could say that if you click the link below for a free training of learning how to sell on Amazon, that by next year, around this time, 2021, you would be making money online selling products, and the weight of the world is not on your shoulders anymore. The weight of financial burden is not on you anymore, okay? It can all be changed by just watching the video right below. Now, I do understand if it's not for you. That is completely okay, and we understand that. But there are a lot of people out there that need help, and they're willing to do whatever they can to do it. So all I'm saying, guys, is a free training. All you have to do is click it and watch it. That's it. That's all you have to do is just watch it. If you don't like it afterwards, that's cool. Go somewhere else. But seriously, guys, if you do like it, keep watching and see what we have to say at the end. And I promise you, there's opportunity to change your life for the next year. We'll see you there.